A is for alligator. A neat fact about alligators is alligators can weigh over 1,000 pounds.
A is for Audubon Zoo. A wonderful fact about the Audubon Zoo is you can see cool animals.
B is for beignets. A delicious fact is beignets are sugary kind of donuts.
B is for beignets. A cool fact about beignets is you get to buy them at Coffee Call.
B is for beignets. A fun fact about beignets is that in New Orleans there is a famous restaurant called Cafe Du Monde. This tasty treat makes a really good breakfast. C is for Catahoula leopard dog. An interesting fact about the Catahoula leopard dog is it's known for its webbed feet.
C is for Catahoula. An interesting fact about the Catahoula dog is that some have webbed feet.
C is for crawfish. A cool fact about crawfish is that it comes in many different colors, such as red, blue, and green.
D is for delta. An interesting fact about the delta is that sometimes the delta is called a bird's foot because it is a triangular shape.
D is for Derek Stingley. A breathtaking fact is that he was the #1 football player of the state of Louisiana.
D is for doubloons. An amazing fact about doubloons is they are the most prized those at Mardi Gras.
E is for egret. An interesting fact is an egret has a white body with an orange beak.
E is for eastern brown pelican. A cool fact is the eastern brown pelican is our Louisiana state bird.
E is for etouffee. A wonderful fact about etouffee is that you can make it with shrimp, shellfish, and rice, and sometimes peppers. They use butter to boil it to make it smooth.
F is for fado dill. A Cajun fact is fado dill is a Cajun dance.
F is for flag. An amazing fact about our state flag is that it says our state motto, Union, Justice, and Confidence.
F is for Fat Tuesday. A neat fact is that Fat Tuesday is also called Mardi Gras and is followed by Ash Wednesday.
G is for green tree frog. A fun fact about the green tree frog is that it is 1 to 2 inches long.
H is for Hammond. An incredible fact, Hammond is the largest city in Tangipahoa Parish.
H is for honeybee. A fun fact about a honeybee is that they can flap their wings 1,000 times a second.
H is for hot building. An interesting fact about hot building is people pronounce it boudin, but it's pronounced boudin.
I is for Indians. An interesting fact about Indians is that the Chitimacha tribe is one of the first Indian tribes to come to Louisiana.
I is for Indian mounds. A neat fact about the Indian mounds is in the 1980s, the mounds were dated 5,000 years old, and they are located on the LSU campus.
I is for iris. A fun fact about the iris is that it can be purple or blue. It also is a state wildflower.
J is for jazz. Jazz was born in New Orleans, Louisiana.
J is for jazz music. An interesting fact about jazz music is very famous in New Orleans.
J is for jazz. An interesting fact is that jazz started in New Orleans.
K is for king cake. A cool fact about king cake is that inside the cinnamon flavored cake, a baby can be found.
K is for king cake. An interesting fact about king cake is it has Mardi Gras colored sprinkles on top.
K is for king cake. A fun fact about king cake is that king cake is a round-shaped cinnamon bread.
L is for LSU. An awesome fact about LSU is they are 9-0 and they are one of our wonderful state teams.
M is for magnolia. A surprising fact about the magnolia is about 90% of the Louisiana is covered with magnolia flowers.
M is for Mardi Gras. Interesting fact about Mardi Gras is Mardi is French for the word Tuesday, and gras is the French word for fat. M is for marsh. An interesting fact about a marsh is it is like a beautiful swamp.
N is for New Orleans. It's a fun fact is New Orleans is the biggest city in Louisiana.
N is for New State Capital. An incredible fact is that Governor Long is buried on the ground and his statue faces the Capitol.
S is for spotted sea trout. An interesting fact about spotted sea trout is they are a part of the drum family.
T is for tiger. A tiger is the most powerful feline in the world.